working with OS/2 software, and ran into an XCD file? This is a WarpIN data file from the OS/2 installation system. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to open and use these WarpIN data files. Quick setup recommendation: download and install a reliable universal file opener. It's the simplest way to check if your XCD file is truly broken. I'll link the software below. XCD Files are data files associated with the WarpIN, the software installation tool for the OS/2 and eComStation operating systems. They store installation package data and configuration used by WarpIN to install and manage software components within the OS/2 platform ecosystem. XCD File Store. WarpIN installation data, including package contents, component definitions, and configuration, in a structure specific to the WarpIN installer. The format organizes the installation payload and metadata so WarpIN can deploy software correctly on OS/2-based systems. Official support for XCD is primarily provided through WarpIN from NetLabs. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows shows limited internal detail, so proper reading depends on the program designed for that format. To begin troubleshooting, right-click the XCD file and choose Open With. If you have WarpIN available, that's your first option. Otherwise, select another program. It's often necessary to test multiple apps. If the XCD file won't open, don't panic. Since the XCD file requires specific software, we must confirm the setup. Let's quickly review these key details on our preparedness checklist. First, opening with WarpIN. Open the XCD file using the WarpIN installer on an OS/2 or eComStation system, which natively handles the format. WarpIN reads the package and proceeds with installation. The native tool is the intended method for processing these installation data files. Next, inspecting the contents. Try opening the XCD file with an archive tool to inspect whether it contains a recognizable package structure. This reveals the bundled components and helps confirm the format. Examining the contents identifies what the WarpIN package is intended to install. Finally, using an OS/2 environment. Since XCD files are tied to OS/2, use an OS/2 system or an emulator running eComStation to process the file with WarpIN. Set up the environment, then run the installer. This recreates the platform needed to use these legacy installation files correctly. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagick.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.